Wham, bam, Teslacam. I hope you're satisfied.
A long time ago, in a world that now seems far, far away, the Teslacam feature didn't exist. Tesla started to roll it out around 2019, so not all Teslas have the Sentry mode or Teslacam features. We've had a bunch of videos sent in that were recorded before Teslacam was released, as well as videos recorded from other cars with dashcams that captured Tesla drivers pulling crazy and reckless stunts. So this episode isn't totally recorded by Teslacams. Instead, it's Tesla's on-cam. Kurt was driving with his family in their Model X in Houston, Texas when this happened. According to the truck driver, who was around 17 years old, he didn't see Kurt coming. Kurt says he did his best to avoid the truck, but it still hit his side and they did a 360 before coming to a complete stop. He says he couldn't get the footage from the built-in Teslacam because he has the MCU-1 computer, which sometimes fails to record anything. Luckily, he had another dash cam. Kurt has sent all the evidence to the insurance companies, and the body shop's initial estimate cost was $12,000. This next clip is special because it's actually the first video ever sent in to the Wham Bam Teslacam channel, number 1 on our submission form. It was recorded in 2018 before the Teslacam update, so we haven't been able to share it with you guys until this unique episode. Justin was driving his Model 3 in this slow-moving traffic when all of a sudden his coffee flew all over his dashboard. It turns out that the driver behind him dropped his phone, took his eyes off the road, and then rear-ended Justin. Justin's dashcam also recorded the crash from inside the car. If we take a look at this shot, we can see that the car behind him speeds up and crashes into him. Let's listen to Justin's own short commentary of what happened.
She got rear-ended, dude.
They both got out of their cars, documented the damage, and exchanged contact information. Mark was driving along on the M25, or London Orbital Motorway, which is a major road encircling almost all of Greater London in England. Take a look at what he witnessed. He says that these are not your typical boy racer cars. They're a Nissan GTR and a Tesla Model S, but the drivers were definitely behaving like children. First, the Tesla driver brake checks the Nissan. The Nissan driver responds by doing a quick undertake and returning the favor. All of this happened in foul weather at rush hour on a busy London motorway. We're not sure what led to this, but to come to a stop on an active motorway is very dangerous. This next video is also from England, where a dashcam captured a rather unusual ornament in a roundabout. The Model 3 seems to have crashed into the brick wall of the roundabout and was stuck on top of it. The police arrived, and it appears that everyone involved was alright. This clip is from June, right around the time Tesla pushed out a software update that enabled Autopilot to automatically steer through a roundabout. Could this be a coincidence? In this next video, the submitter was driving on I-95 South in Woburn, Massachusetts when he witnessed this road rage from a very aggressive Model S driver. At first, we can see him overtaking this Cadillac very closely. Then he proceeds to brake check him. He almost comes to a full stop on the highway, and as we have seen many times before on this channel, this can be catastrophic. The Model S driver then accelerated up to the submitter and slammed on his brakes to brake check him as well. Mihai was driving his Model S P85D on Autopilot in Romania when he saw a dog sitting on the side of the road. Mi says he kept his hands close to the steering wheel and was ready to take over. He was curious about what Autopilot would do, and here's what happened. Autopilot avoided the dog without leaving its own lane, then it just kept on going. This video from Slave0418 shows him driving in sunny Florida with a dashcam mounted in his Model 3. Check out this very typical Florida driving style he witnessed. This person was driving against traffic on the wrong side of the road. Maybe he was taking a shortcut home. Are you a Tesla owner with a Teslacam or Sentry mode video you want to share with us? Please send the video together with a description of what happened via the link in the description below. Join the action. Head on over to the Teslacam Hub on Discord, where you can watch videos that are sent in, share videos and stories of your own, discuss them with other patrons, talk about your Teslas, ask questions, or just hang out.
Oh Lord, won't you buy me a Cybertruck? My friends all drive diesel, I must make amends.